En geno mar nyakuram ga John Rio makare machiegni chendo ni mar kagi kacha nyinga Lydia Okeyo. Tirad migao mar riwruoge saga Simon Chelugui oyawo chenro mar penjo odiechieng' mar ariyo e gwenge ma Kapsoya County ma Uasin Gishu. Chelugui tiyo kod kinde no mar chiwo siem mager ne ji machano dhi ataro kod chike penj kendo riwore kuo mar penjo nogo. Okone piny owacho ikore mar chiwo kum ne ji ma ibiro maki. Jagoro mong'ere migao mar somo Bello Kipsang manochope kaunti ma Nairobi to okone nyaka sane gisemako mohoji 10 ma itudo gi chwalo tese magimakorego kagiparo ni gino mago mag penj.
Ni vizuri sana tuanze kulea watoto wetu na tuwafunze tabia nzuri kwamba mtu ambaye anafanya kazi kwa bidii huyo ndio atatunukiwa, atapata riziki yake kupitia jasho, kupitia kufanya kazi kwa haki. Hiyo ndio maana sisi zote tumeamka leo asubuhi, kwa sababu tunataka kuwaeleza watoto wetu kwamba you cannot succeed if you go through shortcuts and also cheating and stealing. That culture must be discouraged right from our examination centers. The Ministry of Education, working together with Interior, are pursuing an ICT, are pursuing those who might have, unfortunately, come across examination material, distributing them through various hubs. And I want to assure you that as a government, we are committed to ensure we deliver credible results.
Familia Mokalo Miariel Wara ma Mororo etong mar county Tana River kod Garissa yudo chandruok bang' aora matana muomo tong' mare kaluwore kod koth machwe pacho ka. Udi mokalo 50, skul achiel kaachiel kod kanisa achiel gin moko kuom kuonde mokethore chuth ka udi moko mokalo 150 luoro ni inyalo kethore ka koth omedo chwe. Riwruok mar Kenya Red Cross dhi mbele kod chiwo kony ne ji modak e alworano.
Hapa kila kukinyesha mvua maji kidogo tu hata yanatujalia kwa nyumba. Ni kama hivi mnaona. Maji yamejaa mpaka ndani ya nyumba. Hata sasa tumefanya kutoa vitu nje, vitu ziko nje. Kila mwaka kila maji kijaa tunakuwa na matatizo ya kila siku.
Maombi yangu kwa serikali, naomba serikali itusaidie. Tumepoteza vitu, hata watoto hawana manguo za kuvaa. Tuko na shida, watusaidie.
Leo tumetembelea sehemu ya Mororo katika sehemu ya Tana River ambao nilikuwa tumepewa habari jana kwamba mji huu ambao una zaidi ya nyumba zaidi ya 200 zimeathirika na ile mvua ambayo inanyesha sehemu za juu na pamoja ile hapa. Ukweli ni kwamba tumepata nyumba ambazo nyingine tayari zimeingia maji na watu wameathirika, na baadhi yao wameenda katika sehemu ya juu kidogo ili kuweza kuweka camps kule. Na sisi kama shirika la Msalaba Mwekundu tunaenda kusaidiana na wao tukishirikiana na county government kuhakikisha kwamba wale ambao nyumba zao zimeingia maji then wanapata shelter ya kuweza kuwasaidia kwa kipindi hichi.
Kwa mbele ni chenro maguwotho kethore apaya mawuok Kamorgui okao chimo samo ibwa Kapsabet County Manande banka olalo mariwo gwenge gono mukore kaluwore kod koth mapek mapod medo chwe county no. Kethruok mar olalo no osekelo pek mar wuoth ne jopuonjre matimo penj mar klas 12 kaachiel kod jowuoth mopogore opogore mosebedo katiyo gi apaya no. Johala bende osebedo ka pek mar tero majan e kambi kakoro gikwayo sirikal mondo mi olos olalo no mapiyo kaka dwarore mondo mi chenro mag jodak ma alworano odogie wang'e.
Pia leo tumeamkia mkasa ambao daraja imefunjika ambao inafukiza Samo na Kamurguywa. Kutokea saa hii hakuna watu wanafuka upande na upande, na hii daraja ina wakulima wanatumia kwa kupeleka chai na ukulima yao katika soko ya Kapsabet.
Hii daraja imejengwa karibu miaka 20 na kitu, na naona imekatika. Wanafunzi wa shule walikuwa nafuka, lakini sasa wamefunga. Lakini kuna watoto wa kidato cha 4 ambao wameathirika. Kuna mwanafunzi mmoja sasa alikuwa amepita akienda wanapelekwa saa hii jioni. Sasa huyo mwanafunzi lazima akienda shule anafikiria wakati anafanya mtihani yao anafikiria mambo ya kuvuka.
Jatan migao mar somo Ezekiel Mashogu dok ne yo manyien mar siro jopuonjre yor chudo mar omenda mag somo kowacho ni chenrono biro neno ni jopuonjre duto bedo kod nyalo mar chulo sombgi nyaka kuonde tiegruok maonge ng'ikruok moro amora. Mashogu masani ni mbalariany ma Kisii kama oyuore nyasi mar rwako apisi jalup chancellor mbalarianyno Professor Nathan Hongeshi wacho ni chenro manyienno biro neno ni jopuonjre ma jonyuolgi yuto gene piny odew wang'gi kopogore gi chenro machon mane chiwo omenda marom ne jopuonjrego. Mashogu osingo ne oganda jo Kenya ni migao mare osechiw ne omenda moromo kendo onge japuonjre mabiro rem dhi mbele gi sombgi nikech onge mar omenda ahinya to mago ma jonyuolgi onge gi nyalo.
We try to determine the level of need, and once we determine the level of need, using a scientifically proven method, which is known as means testing instrument, which will be able to categorize us, those coming from backgrounds that are not able to pay the amount of money required, will be able to pay almost nil. And we have said those ones will pay only 5%, such that if the cost of the program is 200,000, the amount which they would be required to pay in a year is only 10,000. So we assure you that no one and nobody is going to miss out in getting education, particularly higher education, and even from the lower level, because he comes from a poor background.
Romo mar jopuonj madongo mag skunde primary ochakore ayanga kawuono e kaunti ma Mombasa. Jopuonj go medo dhiro piny owacho mondo mi ochwal chenro mag tiyo gi mbui e skunde ka koro gikwayo piny owacho mondo ket maino e keyo teko stima ne skunde ma pacho ka. Jokanye sekta mar somo bende koro wacho ni obiro bedo dok chien maduong' ka sirkal dhi nyime gi chenro mar somo mar CBC to gwenge moko to pod onge kod teko mar stima. Jogo buge chapa bende osingo maneno ni CBC ochopo kare kaka dwarore.
Consideration for primary education will be access to the necessary technology, and internet connectivity may be lacking or limited for some learners, leading to educational inequalities. This calls for investments in infrastructure and support for disadvantaged schools and learners.
So we look forward to having all schools connecting the internet that will ease the CBC curriculum.
Kwa kweli sisi kama washirika wa chapishaji vitabu tumejiandaa kabisa kwa sababu ya the transition to the new classes. Tuko tayari, vitabu tuko nazo, tumevichapisha kwa wingi.
Minod Jalop Jatend Piny Kenya Pastor Dorcas Rigathi wacho ni onge kwano omenda mora mabiro miyo lok pache wichung' mare wi jogo matimo hera kind chweche machalre kata LGBTQ e Thurka. Nowe gwenge ma Matura mantiere Oljorkor ki kaunti ma Nyandarua e kinde manoyore e iko jadolo moro kata jawo jadolo moro e alworano. Pastor Dorcas wacho ni buge maler mag dinde opogore kitwa gi timbewa kaachiel gi chike ma pacho ka okoyie Kenya kind jogo ma chwechgi chalre. Kosingo medo rido chung' mare kendo jiwo oganda mondo mi obed mabor gi timbe ma kamago. Jalup gavana ma kaunti ma Nyandarua Mathara Mwangi opuoyo kang' mamino jalup jatend piny nokawo mano mar kedo ne joma chwo, lemogi e kuonde twech kendo temo gologi e matha sasa mar kong'o.
Walikuwa tayari kukubali na kuishi. Hebrews chapter 10. Nitasoma andiko lingine katika to open our hearts to the true gospel.
When it comes to matters LGBTQ, you must say the Bible cannot and we must not move from that stand. No matter how much money is poured, we must remind ourselves. The Bible says, male and female God created he. He blessed both and gave him the inheritance of God to go and multiply, increase, prevail, and have dominion. No other way. No other way. And there is no one time in the history that the Christians, the Hindus, the Muslim, the traditional religion ever came and have a place on convergence where the law and constitution of Kenya meets in one place to say it is male and female. We must come out and stand clear. Stand to be counted because money has been poured. Our children must be taught the right thing. And we must be the examples. And we must mentor them right.
Moko kuom jokanyo e sekta mar somo e kaunti ya Migori dwaro mondo piny owacho chak chenro mar chwalo chiemo e skunde mondo mi ochiw resruok ne jopuonjre mosebedo ka kedo kod ngaji e skundego. Nonro motim kod TV mar Ramogi e kaunti ya Migori yango ni nyithindo mathoth madhi skul onge nyalo mar yudo chiemo migago e kinde ma gidhi e skul. Gino mathiro sombgi ka jatend jopuonje skul primar Maumbo wacho ni thoth jopuonjre ma wuok e skulno wuok e familia modak gi chan kendo gisebedo ka gichamo migago kendo thothgi dong e skul sa 7 mar odiochieng' ka giriyo mana gi pi. Jakom mar skul primar Maumbo wacho ni jonyuol nonyise kind thuolo mokalo mondo mi ochul omenda mar migago e skundego kata kamano ne girem chulo.
All right, so let me put him on. Of my guest who is supposed to be here.
Feeding program to vulnerable students in school would be a game changer. Lots of kids are starving. That's a fact. And it's painful to see a child coming into class hungry and cannot concentrate. I've seen parts of our nation, some counties are actually introduced that, like in Nairobi, where I've just come from. The governor there is doing a tremendous work, courtesy of all the stakeholders there. My prayer is that this county government of ours, through Dr. Chilo Ayako, also reconsider that.
Almost 60% of the learners are affected as far as the feeding program is concerned. It is an area that is very sensitive, and if it is addressed, just the way I had stated some times back, it will be a real game changer.
We've started the feeding program, but again it's very challenging because parents are straining to contribute. It is a partnership between the PTA and the school. Not all parents are contributing in good time. As it was said before, majority are straining economically. And that is why we are appealing to the stakeholders and we are partners.
Od bura mar Senator Chakayanga chenro mar twak e paro mar thicho ke apisi Governor Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Governor Mwangaza no thicho ke apisi GMCs ma county Meru e mano ma giwacho ni tiyo marach gi apisi mare. Awinjie kaka twak makamano dhi mbele od bura mar Senate.
Here, most of these clarifications, you'll pick them as we hear the witnesses. Senator Haji Faki.
Mine is to both the council and council for the county assembly and the witness. There were proceedings before the High Court in Meru where the county secretary, according to the judgment and according to the ruling, was found to be guilty of contempt. And the matter is still ongoing. The punishment has not been meted. Now, isn't that subjecting the governor to a double jeopardy? Because he is facing the proceedings before the court in Meru are still alive. And counsel for the governor said earlier that they were actually in court this morning. And here we are you want us to impeach the governor based on the same set of facts. Isn't this a double jeopardy, which in law is not allowed? Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, that's a legal question. I heard it was addressed to both me and the witness. I don't know whether the witness is able to answer.
Proceed. He belongs to your side. You can answer for him.
First of all, Mr. Speaker, it is not correct to say that the question of whether the governor is guilty of contempt is in court. What is in court is the question of sentencing. The question of liability is settled. The only other thing that is in court is the question of purging the contempt. So there is no question of double jeopardy. As a matter of fact, Mr. Speaker, the rule of double jeopardy does not apply to proceedings of impeachment. There are several rulings by the Supreme Court itself that says, and I can quote the Sonko case, the Martin Nyaga-Wambora case, that say impeachment is not about civil or criminal liability. It is about political accountability. It is about ethics. It is about the type of leadership, the type of persons we want holding certain offices. And that is why you find the Article 181 is about may be removed on any of the following, and it talks of gross misconduct. Gross misconduct need not even be a criminal or civil offense. It can be anything that attracts serious moral censure. It talks of gross violation of the Constitution or other law. And in short, all we are saying, the Supreme Court has already answered this question of double jeopardy. And that is why even the Court of...
En tuak madhimbele nyakuram gajwang heod bura mar Senate tuak mano mar thicho oko governor ma county wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ya PC wali wonigo machiegni ahinya ka bang'e wabro mi kaka weche ang' dhi Senate kanyo e weche manyien mag goimore kachiel gi mano marangi chwe. Riti masane nyinga Lydia okay.
Naivas Kikwetu Fiesta.